Guys, welcome back to my channel, to your Kimberly. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to put your phone on the screen, on the side of the screen, like I show you guys when I did the Calm app video. It is super easy. So the first thing is you need a recorder like I'm using. So I got mine at the Play Store, and I just put screen recorder, and I just use the one that has more views, like the first one, like this one. This is the one that I'm using right now. So what I just did, I just install it and I'm using it right now. So you need one of those to be able to screen record. So if you're showing an app, or you want to show like a video or a game or whatever, you just do the screen recorder. And like if you want to show the gallery, and you have, pictures or videos or whatever you want to show. Like I have a video here, it's this video.
2,000 years later.
So there you go. So you share the video, you need a screen recorder. So now I'm gonna take you guys how to put this screen recorder in the side of your, like in the video. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here is the Femora 9. So what I did is I just connected my phone to the computer and I transferred the video to my files. So now I'm gonna click here, and this is going to take me to the file. So I'm going to click video, and here is my video. So I'm just going to do is click and drag and put it right here. Gonna cancel that one. So now you have your video. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just grab a random video that I have here. Just a video. Let's just do, I'm going to do this one, put the right here, this one. So I'm going to click and drag. And now I'm going to press the little plus sign. I'm going to click and I'm going to choose this one. So now I have a video here. This is a cooking video I did a long time ago. So we have that. Now what you want to do is you want to drag this on top where this goes. So you're going to go on top like that. So now you have this. Now you want to move it like this. Just move it like right here. You can resize it. Now you're going to click this video, and we're going to mute the recorder of the phone, so it doesn't sound like it's not in the background. So we're going to mute that, and you're going to click OK. And now we're going to push play. Okay, so now you're playing here. Okay guys, so I have to switch. You have the video in there, and it's showing you where I'm clicking the video. Potatoes look like. So you just play your video, you have it here, and if you want to cut, you can just click the video. Like if you want to cut, let's just say, if you want to cut that part, then you click on the video on top, double click, and you click these little scissors, and then you press OK. And if you don't like how this looks, you can do is click, and you can right click on the middle where my mouse is, and you can delete it like that. So that is how you put the screen recorder on the back, on the side of your face, or however you want it. You can do it as long as you want, or you can cut it. So my video goes up to here. So what I do is I put this here, and I double click the top video, and I press the scissors, and you can press OK, and you right click on the video and you press delete, and that is how the video is going to look like. So yeah, this is how I did my video when I show you guys the app. the Calm app of the When I Can't Sleep. That's how I did it, and it's super easy. You can always put a picture also, or you can if you have like an editor, you can screenshot it. So if you do, just click here the little snapshot, and it just snapshots your video. And you can always put it here also. I mean, you can do a lot of stuff with this, but you can show a picture, you can do a video. It's really cool screen recorder for phone. You can also do tutorials on your phone if you want to use your phone or whatever you guys use. It is super easy, super fun. So that's how I did mine, and you guys can do it as well. So I hope you really enjoy this video. So guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. It was like super easy. That's how I do my recordings for when I want to show you guys in my phone. That's how I did with the app of the Calm app that I did, the part that I told you I can't sleep and stuff like that. So you can put it like in this side, or you can put it this side. You can move it and put it this side or down below, you know, however you guys want to do it. It is super easy. You can do photos as well and put them in there. You just need an editor to do this, so you can be able to put your, you know, videos in there. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for my videos, and push the notification bell as well. And I also have a vlog in my second channel where I went out for the first time since the stay-home orders were ordered. For like 3 months I stayed in this house for 3 months, and I finally went out shopping. So I vlogged for a little bit. If you guys want to check that out, I'll put the video in this description box so you guys can check it out and subscribe to that channel as well. And I will see you guys next time. Stay beautiful, stay safe, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.